Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to fix Cash App unexpected error. First of all, you need to open your Cash App. You need to click your profile icon on the top right corner. You need to scroll all the way down and you will see support. Click it. In the search, you need to type unexpected. So if there is no result, you need to click chat. And this is the direct way to contact to Cash App support. So you need to explain the issue. For example, guys, you need to write hello, I'm getting an unexpected error when trying to, and explain the issue, guys. So explain the exact issue when you are getting this error. So for example, let's type X here, and in the end you need to write, can you please help me? So you will send this to the Cash App support. They will assist you, so most likely they will help you to fix this problem. So that's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.